Hello, my name is Julia. I'm a project coordinator for a youth project at Les Apprimeurs, and I'm currently leading and coordinating the Plural Words project.
Hello, my name is Baptiste, and I'm a web developer on the Plural Words project.
And Les Apprimeurs is a French society, digital society, that aims to develop pedagogical projects, cultural projects, and other type of project that mix at the same time the book industry, culture, and creativity and pictures to find solutions to create more engaging and innovative pedagogical technologies and also pedagogical tools. And think out. Well, we designed the project at Les Apprimeurs. It came, I think, from different elements and discussions. Personally, with the president of Les Apprimeurs, were very interested in the topic of alternative communication, and also we had heard of Makaton, and we were also aware about the sign language. So when we discovered that there was something called CAA, that was actually mixing all those components and preaching towards more inclusive classroom environments and offering people possibility to communicate in other ways, we wanted to create this project. And we really want, through Plural Words, to enable different pupils with diverse needs and teachers also who might have pupils with specific needs or not, to find ways to communicate together, to exchange, and this enable everyone to be able to find the common grounds to exchange and have an inclusive environment in the classroom. Well, I will say that at Les Apprimeurs we have at heart in all our projects and all the initiatives we lead and develop to work on the inclusion and diversity and ensure that we reach diverse target groups and diverse publics. And I think Plural Words is really at the heart of our mission and of our other projects and the thing we have been doing for over the past 10 years. And for us, it's really important that this project opens the doors to new partnerships, to new projects, and also to new tools that will enable to find a way to communicate in a different way, and to also spread books through different channels and different supports. I think as well, we also work as publishers for children, and I think on the first level we will hope that it's changed also the publishing industry for children's book, and through our AAC books that we manage to promote a new way to engage in a text, to share a story, and also to kind of demystify the fact that books with pictograms or with other tools that are addressed initially for children with special needs can be now also becoming a product that we find in the general market. And the second objective, and I think that's what we are seeing during this LTTA and also after now almost a year and a half of project, is that we can really see that our partners have managed to make all the tools theirs, and that we can really see the impact on their schools, on their pupils, whether they have special needs or not. And I think that's one of our greatest pride while leading this project, is that to see what we've started to do is now becoming bigger. And I think one of our main hope seeing that is that it will be now spread outside the partnership and be able to reach other schools, public schools, and also schools that perhaps welcome children with diverse needs or who speak other languages. So for the pilot box, we decided to go through the Odysseus story because we have a keen interest, I think, at Les Apprimeurs for all the Greek mythology, and it's a huge universe. You can do plenty of things. You have always stories that can be told and retold, and what interested us by working on Greek mythology was to enable children to make these stories theirs, and also to invite them to think about mythology, because it's something that needs a bit to evolve with our current society and time. So, for instance, with the Odysseus story, we invite the children to retell the story themselves, to work on the emotions, on the characters. And we developed the books on 2 levels, some shadows, also puppets that have been used to play shadow theater by the schools. And Baptiste, as also a graphic designer, worked on an elaborated version that is the Cordello, perhaps.
Yes. It's a giant leporello of 15 meters long. And so we worked we were 2 working on the project, 2 graphic designers, and working with pictograms.
We've been using it with pupils who are students who are coming in France and don't speak the language. And I think what we saw during the workshop was that even the students who might not have been to school in their country, like, managed to tell a story and be able to engage with the content and to interact with each other, no matter that there is a language frontier. And that, I think, is also a great joy to see the products we create suddenly become useful, and that create connections and relationships between the students.
For me, it was to see the partners showing the photo of their students and to see how they used our materials. So, yeah, it was.
Yeah, I agree with Baptiste, and if I can add also one more thing is now we're working on the stories, and it's also great to see them now creating their own story and managing to use the tools that we've used ourselves for the pilot boxes, but to see their creation and see that we are able to transfer those competences and those skills. And we saw this morning some great production for the level 1 with the pictograms, and we are now currently working about level 2 with illustrations, and I can think we have great also graphic designers among the partnership.